Hey, this is Soomin Kim, your Austin real estate agent, and I'm here in the newest section of the Wolf Ranch, the very popular Wolf Ranch community. We're gonna hear in the new section called West Bend, and I just got done filming. I can't wait to share with you, but I am here standing outside the newest model home for none other than Drees Custom here in the Wolf Ranch, West Bend community. If you're returning back to my channel, welcome back. If you're brand new to my channel, before you do anything else, make sure you like and subscribe because I'm gonna constantly put out information as a realtor to help you make your critical decisions. I'm here in a master plan community to which I perhaps sold more homes than any other agent in the past 5 years. And I can't wait to share with you and highlight the newest model home here by Drees Custom. It's right there. There's two sizes that they're putting out there of catalogs. There's gonna be a larger one, which I'm gonna do in a separate video. And then I believe this is a 60-foot we're gonna do in this video. So hey, let's get to it. Drees' newest model home here in West Bend, Wolf Ranch. Let's go. All right, here we are taking a look at one of two of Drees' newest model homes. Mind you that you are going to be one of the very first to be able to take a sneak and a peek and look at this. They haven't even had the grand opening of this yet. But as you know, I like to get you in there before anyone else. Now, this is the 60-foot product by Drees. What I mean by that, it's a 60-foot width of a home site. And this is an example and a plan that Drees is putting out there. Oftentimes when builders do put a model home out there, that plan tends to be the most popular because it is being used as something that people can walk through. This is the Dakota. It's going to be 3,836 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, so 4 baths essentially. And in this particular model, instead of the 5th bedroom, they option it with a media room. So it's going to be a flex game room and a media. Enjoy the Dakota by Drees here in West Bend, Wolf Ranch. All right, so there you have it. That is an example of the newest model home by Drees Custom here in the West Bend section of Wolf Ranch. They are definitely lock and loaded with inventory, spec, lots, anything that you could desire to have here in West Bend. I think they're going to be ready for you. As always, I want to remind you that especially with new construction, especially with specific builders, you're going to want to have someone not only that's just representing you or just an agent, but someone that has a critical and good relationship with that builder, that has a history and documented history of success, relationship, and transaction, which I have perhaps more than any other agent in the entire market with Drees. So allow me to help you get the very best price, negotiate that, figure out what the incentives are. But the market is, I believe, in a place where the builders are getting ready. They do foresee increased activity. They do see rates coming down, which often in turn sometimes gets the prices to come up. So make sure that I am there to be able to help you. Any questions you have, whether it's Drees or another builder, whether it's Wolf Ranch or another community, allow me to be able to utilize and leverage my relationship to make sure that you get the very best price and protecting you from start to finish until you get into that home. So with that being said, I will see all of you on the next video. Come on.